Hello, hello, Sandila here. The guy lives on top of the hill and gardens on top of the hill. You are look strapped today. Anyway, uh, work is keep English. We keep pushing. We keep moving with the work. We keep pushing. We keep moving with the work. Slowly but surely, we still have problems with all the codes and all that. Our fence is leaking, but we've got new wire mesh, which is gonna be able to stop the codes. Might not have enough, but we'll do what we can do, cover what we can cover. We'll finish off another time. But that's not what we're doing now. I'm mentioning it because what I'm about to show you is because of the code. I thought I have to do this while we're still struggling with the fence and getting the fence right. Until we get the fence right, I have to do this. Once we've got the fence right, I won't need this, or maybe we'll need it in terms of the birds, because there's a lot of birds here. I don't know if you can hear them, but there's a lot of birds, which I love. I don't have a problem with that. I don't have issues with the birds, but the birds can also be a little bit of a problem, especially when it comes to things like berries, strawberries, all those things. Yeah, but we don't mind that. But the goats, we mind because they are quite very destructive. They like up here in them, it's all about eating. It's not even about tomorrow. Whereas the birds, it's kind of like up here in them. We're gonna have to pack just a little bit and leave some for tomorrow. Anyway, let me show you what we're doing, and then let you know what I'm about to do. I've just concluded closing this guy up with the nets. Not only this guy, that guy up there. We'll go show you just now. So what I'm like, you can see what I was doing is like, turning the soil just a little bit, not too much, because I've got seedlings to put here. I'm going to be putting the seedlings now in here, and I'm going to be finishing that one off as well. Put this net on. I've got conjoint there, old conjoint. You know me, I recycle, I reuse. That I'll put and then close that one. Once that one is closed as well, we put in seedlings. We're moving. September is right on our doorstep. Spring is right on our doorstep. So we need to keep moving and keep pushing. Yeah. So up there also, I built that one. Let me go show you that one. It's not that strong, but I think it will do. Look, I think it will do. It's a bit shaky, and but I'll do the job. So you can see I've put all some of the trees in here, especially the ones that the goats seem to enjoy. I've put them in here. So you see, it is a little bit shaky. It wasn't built for permanent stay. It is built for temporal stay. So also the blueberries, the goats ate all my blueberries. This blueberry plant had flowered. Let me show. I'm gonna have to open here to show you. And I think you can see it is still flowering in some part of it. It had flowered so much, and then the goats just completely devastated it. The goats finished my peas here. So here I need to come in, remove all this, put beans. The peas is finished. It's completely. The goat kept eating it. It kept coming up and kept eating it, and it kept coming up. And now it's finished. It's done. The other one that's worrying me is this grapevine here, because they seem to have quite a very nice taste. The goats seem to love them, but where it is, maybe I'll take that, put it, I don't know how, where, just sort of like distract and hide it. Anyway, and this one also, you see, we covered this one. So here we are gonna get some peas. You can see peas there because of what I did, putting this net here. And then the onions also are growing nicely. So, but here I think you can see, look at that carrot. We at the we at the stage where a lot of the stuff will have to be harvested, and then we'll have to put new stuff in, because yeah, as you can see, the carrots and peas and all that, I think they're ready now to go. So this is what I'm busy with. This is what I'm doing right now. And then as soon as I'm done closing that down there, I will have to flip 1, 2, 3, yeah, those 3 buckets, see how much sweet potato I'll get, and then yeah, take that soil, put it on that bed there, sort of compost, my top or my topsoil, and then plant there. And yeah, we'll have to move this as well out, this chili pepper plant. You see, this is an old chili pepper plant. I pruned it. Yeah, 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 and it's regrowing now and reproducing. Yeah, anyway, this is what I had to do now, just for the time being, to sort of like give protection, you know. I would have moved the bananas or the banana in there, but damn thing is heavy. So, but I'll see. Maybe I'll drag it, put it in there, just to make sure that it is protected from these goats. Is this coming from the pineapple? Yeah, it seems. Yeah, anyway, this is what it is. This is what it looks like. And dealing with these goats. See, they ate my lychee plants that I grew from seed. Then I had to put them in here, those lychee plants. I haven't had lucky with lychee plants. I've struggled with lychee plants. I'm still struggling with them. And then with these goats eating them like this, wasn't a very good thing. Now I need to see what I can do. I feel dry. What I can do, to make sure that, and there's these small flies that munch at the leaves, and then the leaves dry out. Oh la la. Anyway, yeah, I'll have to see what I can do for these lychee plants. But I think I have a plan for them, like how I had a plan for the blueberries back at the other house. I'll get something done and get them protected. Hopefully they'll grow. This is the second time I've managed to grow lychee plants from seeds, but this is where they end, at this level, and never grow bigger than this. Breaks my heart, because I love lychees. I love them so much that I buy them, and they're expensive, so I don't want to buy them anymore. Anyway, guys, let's go carry on, finish up there, and see if we can sort of like put these seedlings on today, or it will be a tomorrow thing. I don't know. Yeah, and this raised bed here, I don't have enough conjoint to create sort of a dome for it, from my old conjoint. So I'll have to buy new conjoint pipes or PVC pipes, and then build the dome. I know I can also just build an open close with wood, but this is much more easier and better for me. Anyway, less work, and yeah. Okay, guys, this is what we're up to. This is what's happening here. Thought I'll give you an update. And let you know what I'm busy with. Yeah, hopefully things will work out better, and hopefully by the end of spring getting into summer, we'll have something to harvest, and then also put something for summer, and then the cycle keeps going like that to winter or autumn, winter, and all that, you know. But let me now get back to it. Yeah. Oof, the pineapple thorns poked me. Ooh, God, it's still in there. Shit, that is so, man. Anyway, guys, I hope that you learned something out of this. If you have similar problems like me, challenges like me, and that the video was very valuable for you, please share, comment, like, subscribe. You know that real. Highly appreciate all of you that have chosen to subscribe and like our videos and share our videos. I am out.